Hello, today we're coming to you from the model. I'm Jose, this is Danny. We're going to show you how to change out a battery in a smoke detector. Usually if it's beeping, it means the battery is dead. And if you have that, you can just usually call the office, we'll come over and we'll change all the batteries out for you. But this is the way, you see that beep? Okay.
Beeping. Pull it up out of there. Make sure, get a new one. That's it.
Test it, it's all good. They're all working, okay. Simple as that. Easy to change your smoke detector. Best thing to do, do not remove it. Thanks.